Hi guys, postman's bin. Very familiar looking package. This will be from either AliExpress or, AliExpress I think. And it should be another one of those radio controlled transmitter and receiver, toy grade 2.4 gigahertz. Should be the B version of this. This is the A version, HS06A. And I'm hoping it'll be the B version. A version, these both go up and down. B version, I'm hoping the right hand one goes right to left. I thought I ordered this one last time, but apparently I didn't. So we'll see if we get the right one this time. I suppose it actually says on there. No, it just says toy model parts, RC toy model parts. Right. It's a different receiver, it's a more heavy duty one. Actually that looks really interesting. But before we look at it, we'll just check the transmitter or controller. There we are. Identical but different. That one has a B on it, this one has an A on it, and this one goes right and left. What I will do is try it out on the tractor, because I've been driving that tractor at the moment, going up and down for the steering. So we'll see if it will bind with the receiver that's in there. I'm hoping it will. And then I'll use that one on the tank that I want to convert. Anyway, we'll try that in a second, but before we go any further, we'll just have a look at this, because I just noticed something on this receiver that I think looks brilliant. Got some bits of wire. Right, what I'm looking at here, you can probably see what I'm going to say. These are actually mounted in, what do you call those? You can actually pull the little chips out and replace them if you burn them out, because those will be the H bridges. They have got numbers written on them, so I'll do a close-up of the number in a minute to overlay it. Little rubber feet. That's the actual receiver controller chip. I'm guessing, just pure guess, that might be a voltage regulator. Might be. Crystal antenna. But yeah, I like the look of that. If you burn them out, you can replace them without having to desolder it. That looks brilliant, because I do tend to burn things out by putting too many volts through them. I don't remember what the voltage is for this one. Off the top of my head, I had an idea it might have been 12 volts. Certainly more than the other one. I think the other one was maximum 6 volts. I have to look at the listing. But I do like the look of that. I'll try and remember to take a close-up photo of it. Right, more to the point. Still got battery in that one. came with a screwdriver, but it's not really man enough for the job there. Use my other screwdriver. Okay, 2 AA batteries in there, and I need to put the little LiPo battery in here, which I did remember to take out this time, so there's no battery in there at the moment. That's the one for there. Come on. Can't get my finger in there. Right. Put that in the right way around. Stick that in there. Or did I put it in the other way around? Does it make much difference? Right. So just check it still works. Lights on, lights off, lights on. Okay, power on there. Turn that one on. Okay, that's the original controller. So I'll power that off again. Power that one off. A couple of AA batteries. The cover off for now. Okay, power is on. Switch that one on. Yes. Oh, perfect. So we now have right and left, forwards, backwards. We'll give it a little run round on the floor because it'll be a while before I actually do anything with this. Yeah, I'll do a close-up of that. All right, I'll just run that round on the floor so we can see it working with the new controller. So, because you're not going to see any different to what it was before unless I hold this in front. That's not going to work, is it? Let's change to wide angle. Right. So yeah, brilliant. Now we've got the right controller for it. And then we'll see if we can convert that one using the new receiver board and the old controller. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.